Hello everyone, I am Shri. Welcome to my channel Techno Shri. Well, in this video we are going to see an unboxing. Well, actually a lot of unboxing. So let's begin. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Start with this box first. Let's see what is inside the box. So actually these are the Arduinos which are required for the projects as a processor. Packaging is nice, and this is our processor, Arduino Uno. This I have ordered 8 quantity. Let's count and place side. So let's start with another box. Let's see what is inside the box. Okay, so everyone, this is a very special what we say accessories for our Arduino processor. Basically this product is a acrylic case for Arduino Uno processor. You can see here acrylic box for Arduino Uno R3. I have ordered 5 quantity, but actually in this box there are 4, and one is in the another packaging. I hope the another box is in this case, in this packaging. Let's see. And yes, I think yes, the final case is here. Let's do another box. Lot of packaging. Well everyone, this one is a DC motor driver shield for Arduino Uno. We can use for 4 DC motors. Quite good packaging. Let's open another box. Okay, so friends, I got my ultrasonic sensors. I have ordered in a combo. So these are our ultrasonic sensors for the project. Let's unbox next package. Let's see what's inside this bubble wrap. So everyone, these are the DC motor driver cards. Actually the first one was for 4 motors, and these are for the 2 motors. The first one was actually a shield, and this one is a special driver card. That's the difference. And this one, let's see what's inside this package. Well everyone, these are the dummy motor shaft. Actually these are used for 4x4 chassis. Whenever we are building a 4x4 chassis,
we don't need to add 4 motors. We can use 2 DC motors, and for remaining 2 wheels we can add these dummy motor shafts so that wheels can spin freely, and we don't need to add extra motors for our 4x4 chassis. So this part is quite important. Or let's open our final package. Quite big box. So in this box I've got my 4x4 robotic chassis. So the box contains a lot of things like metal chassis, 4 wheels. These are the wheels for the chassis. And another package, another wrapping. This one is a motor, DC motor, geared DC motor, and in this is our main part, that is our robotic chassis, metal chassis. Here it is, our robotic chassis.
A lot of unboxing in this video. I hope you like this unboxing. तो अभी हमने इतनी सारी अनबॉक्सिंग की है, तो इससे डेफिनेटली आगे कुछ ना कुछ जरूर वीडियोस आएंगी. तो इस अनबॉक्सिंग का जो मेन एम था वो ये था कि आप लोगों को जो डिफरेंट सेंसर्स है या फिर जो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स लगते हैं किसी प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के लिए, तो वो कौन कौन से हैं. अभी ये जो सारे पार्ट्स है ये सभी प्रोजेक्ट के ही हैं. तो जैसे ही इन चीजों से मैं कुछ बनाऊंगा या फिर कोई प्रोजेक्ट होगा तो उसकी वीडियो आपके लिए जरूर आएगी. तो अगर आपने मुझे अब तक इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं किया है तो कर लीजिए. मेरे इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट का आईडी आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर आ रहा होगा. तो वेल, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, दिस इज टेक्नोश्री. जय हिंद.